Hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making puff pastry apple pies or apple tarts or whatever kind of name you want to give it. They are so delicious, so let's start. First thing we're gonna do is prepare our apples. Slice some apples with one whole apple. Put it into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I use a sweet apple, so I didn't need a whole lot of extra sugar, but put as much sugar in as you like. Add some cinnamon and stir everything together. Prepare your baking sheet and put some puff pastry on the sheets. With a fork, prick the middle of the puff pastry, leaving a border. The border will puff up, creating a well in the middle for our apples. Put some of the apple parts in the center and brush the sides with a little bit of milk. Sprinkle the sides with extra sugar and bake in a 200 degrees Celsius oven for around 15 to 20 minutes. Leave them to cool and enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Tell me down in the comments what you want to see next. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. And I see you in the next one.